Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Chinese display name on Roblox. So the first step, you need to log in into your Roblox account and click on this gear icon on the top right. Then you need to click on settings. So once you are in your settings, here you can see that I open my settings, and here you can see account info. You simply need to click on this pencil icon, and I want to change that into Chinese. So search here Google Translate. Okay, so detect language, here add you need to add English, and here you need to add Chinese. So simplified is okay. Add your name. Okay, then you need to select that, copy that, come here, paste that here. Okay, and then you need to click on save. So make sure that it is let me do this like this, and then you need to copy that and paste that here. If your name is short, maybe you have seen this issue, make sure you are using your original name. So this is a process that you need to follow to get a Chinese display name on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.